Hello. In this video, I'm going to show the two ways that I do my color holds. They can be done many different ways, but this is just how I do mine. Okay, the first way I learned how to do it years ago through watching a couple of YouTube videos, I go to my black layers, and I select the black area, and I add a layer to that and hide with Control H on the PC. I take any color value there is with a pencil tool, just kind of shade over it, like so. When I'm done, I will lock the layer, and at any time I can just change the color whenever I want to. If I decide I don't want it, I just delete it. And way number two, the second way I learned how to do it, is I take the lasso tool and circle the items that I wanted to do color hold with. Then I go to the select menu and select color range and shadows, which is already selected. It just selects just the area that I want. And I go to a new layer and pick a color, any color, and just dump it in. And I lock it so that way if I need to change a color, I can just change it to wherever I want it to. Or like last time, if I don't want it, just delete it. And that is how I do my color holds. Sure, there are other ways to do it, but that's just how I like to do mine. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.